Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making a frozen cha-cha bracelet. Okay, Susan, so I just watched the new trailer for Frozen 2. Have you seen it yet?
I have not.
Oh my God, it looks so crazy good. So this one, she's going to be exploring like how she gets her powers, or how she got her powers.
Okay.
It's going to be a wild ride. I'm so excited for this movie.
Really exciting. My nieces loved Frozen.
Do you know how many times I've seen the first Frozen movie?
How many?
4 billion. But I was just thinking, so new Frozen movie's coming out. We gotta do something, to kind of like celebrate it.
It has to be something big, I think.
Yeah.
Something really exciting and fun.
Something fun, something interesting.
You can dance.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
how about like a cha-cha bracelet?
Cha-cha bracelet.
You don't know what that is, do you?
I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Yeah.
I call these cha-cha bracelets. I think I might have made that up. But,
okay.
What it is it's really just like a charm bracelet.
Oh, okay.
With tons and tons and tons of beads on it.
Oh, okay.
See that? So it kind of moves with you like that. So cha cha cha. I thought we could do one with this set of check glass, which is called Snow Queen.
Oh.
Get it? Frozen.
Very fitting.
Yes.
Sounds like you're prepared.
Essentially, I know, kind of. Yeah. So essentially, you've used the one-step looper before, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So essentially, all we're gonna do, all these are our head pins.
Okay.
Looped with a one-step looper, and then we attach them to the chain. And you can see I've got this guy right here. This is called a chain stay.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what it does is it opens up. See, like these little guys right there.
Oh, it just holds your chain in there. Yeah. The little mouth here.
So I've got enough chain here to make a bracelet. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 beads on every single one of those links.
Every single one of these. Okay. Let's see if I can do this.
I know you can. So isn't this a cool mix?
This
it's really
is cool.
icy,
I love the colors here. Yeah.
I've got the blue. It actually almost makes me cold to look at it.
Yeah.
But you don't feel,
icy,
like we just want a mix of colors. I don't think we need to color block it. I think let's just go with a big old mix.
Do what we feel.
But do, big, small, doesn't matter, because it'll look really good.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified of all of our future episodes.
Let's get started. So what's the first step? What do we gotta do to get this?
These are head pins.
Okay.
Remember they have the little knob or something on the end to hold the bead on?
Yeah.
Some of them have these little balls, but most of them don't, okay?
Yeah, most of them don't.
But I want to spread out the little balls because they add a nice little accent. So I'm going to give you half and I'll take half.
Okay.
And so, use as many of those as you can, and then the rest of them we'll use these little guys, which just have a little, the traditional little head on the end. And so we'll just take our one-step looper. You just take this and you push this through the little, see that little hole right there on the side? All right, you just pop it through there, and then you just bring this right up next to the bead, and you just squeeze.
Oh,
and it loops it. And that's it. And so we have to make about 100 of those, but that's easy, right?
That's really
easy. And then
easy.
we'll attach them to the chain. Now, you have your own little one-step looper right there.
Oh, so
I brought you your own. It's like you can put your name on it if you want.
I'm moving up in the world.
You are.
So we get it really close, right?
Yeah.
About right to.
You don't want to go right up against it because sometimes the loop won't quite close. So just give yourself like
right there?
just a tiny bit of air.
Perfect.
Every time. All right, I'm gonna show you how to start putting these on here.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is, of course, we've got our these loops are open.
Yeah.
So you just twist it open.
So you twist it open.
Okay, like that, and then you just put it on your chain, like so, and grab the end and twist it closed. You wanna make sure you twist it all the way closed.
Yeah.
See how I kind of pressed it in there up against
make
the
it
wire?
flush.
So, and then it's gonna happen just like that. Okay. And so then I'll put one on the other side. So we can turn this around and you can put one on the other side, and then we'll have our middle started, yeah.
Okay. I've already opened my little pin here. We're gonna put it on the same one, right? You said 2 on each one?
Amazing. You can do it like that. There you go.
There we go. Yeah. So we just keep adding these on here.
Yep. Just keep adding them on. And so like that bead's there, so I have another one like it. I'm gonna spread them out. So I'm not gonna put 2 of those right in the same spot.
Right there.
So the trick is just to make sure you get these all closed, and if they're closed,
closed, you're good to go.
As long as you get that done, pop all these guys on there. It's gonna look really good. getting close.
Ooh, this one's very pretty.
You thought this was gonna be hard, didn't you?
I thought this was gonna be hard. I was like, oh, that's gonna be a tough one.
No, this is like
fun.
super fun,
This is
easy.
really fun,
Like it's kind of relaxing, isn't it? It's one of my favorite things to make. When I used to do it before the one-step looper, you would take a head pin, and I mean, I'll actually show you how to do it. I'll show you how you have to do it.
Yeah.
You need to know.
I need to know.
You need to
I
know.
need to know what you went through.
Yeah. So you would take a head pin, and then you would pick a bead. So let me pick kind of a. So you're like this, right? And so now you actually have to bend the wire over directly on top of the bead. So I actually have to pull and bend like that. So it's in a 90-degree angle.
Oh, yeah.
See that? And then you have to trim it to the right length. And so you'd have to trim it to like 1/4 inch on every single bead, or on every single one.
Yeah.
All right. And then you have to take your round nose plier and you actually have to make that loop right there at the top. So you see how much longer that took me.
Yeah.
It's the same thing, but so what I would do is I put all my beads on, and then I'd bend all my beads, and then I'd cut all of them, or cut all the pins, and then I'd do all the looping. But, I mean, that's like 4 steps
That's a
compared
lot.
to 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. There, I got it. Took me a second. Oh, I like that one there.
I
That's
like it.
perfect.
Yeah, that was like
yes. The
piece de
finishing.
resistance.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you for saying that.
You're so welcome. That was great though. That's fun.
It looks really good.
Yeah.
So now you can put it on me. I always leave a little bit at the end, and we actually need one more thing.
Oh.
We have to put a bead on the end as like the true piece de
Oh,
resistance.
of course, yeah.
And that way it gives you a little something to grab onto too. So open him.
No, I'm the chainstay.
You are the chainstay. Work. It's like Barney. There we go. All right, now you can put it on me.
Yeah, we got it.
Kind of gives you something to hold on to too.
Yeah, much easier.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, I like the lion.
Isn't that cute? Look. Woo, I love it.
That was good. Yeah.
That is frozen.
That
yes.
is frozen.
Yes.
Yes.
Ta-ta.
Oh, it's so fun. I love the sound. That turned out really good.
Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. What would you do with your ice powers? Let Jordan know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. And now that you know a little bit about making a cha-cha bracelet, you can say,
I made this.